front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. If you can't find it, you can tap on those three dots, look for it over here and click on it then. Either way, after accessing Clipboard, tap on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Then, in order to use it, you need to copy or cut any text. Then to access it and paste it, click on it. If you wish to pin it, use this pen at the top right corner. Tap on your text that you wish to pin and click on pin icon between the pin one and the plus one. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete one of your saved sentences or words, click on the same pen, select the ones that you wish to get rid of, and click on pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!